Hey guys, the Great Mixer here. Today I will be showing you how to create an installation media for Windows 10. To start, make sure your internet is on and then go to your browser. And then to go to the page, just hit the link in the description and then you will go to the page. Once the page pops up, guys, you just want to hit Windows 10. Guys, we don't want to update our Windows, we only want to install the media creation tool to create one media. To download it, just hit download tool now. I already downloaded the media creation tool, so instead I will close it and I will go to the file explorer. This is the video that I'm making now, and then I will launch the media creation tool. Make sure your internet is on. The antivirus is turned off because the antivirus can detect the autorun file and just remove it. So hit yes. You cannot say it because I don't know why. Just hit yes and wait for this window to pop up. Okay guys, now it's saying getting things ready. This will take some time, so yeah. So guys, once this page pops up, this is the terms and license. You just want to read it and then hit accept. And guys, then you have to wait for a few minutes until this page finishes. Okay guys, so once this page pops up, you can choose whether upgrading your PC or creating installation media. What we want to do in this video is create a ISO file or a create installation media. So we'll just hit that and click next. Then you can choose your architecture, language and edition. I will choose for this time 32-bit. You can choose both. And then after you do that, hit next. And then you can choose a USB drive or ISO file. So once you choose the one that you want, hit next. Guys, if you choose a ISO file, you can just save it in the folder you want with the name that you want. And guys, then you have to wait it until it downloads. It will actually take a long time, so I will pass it here, and once the downloads finish, I will show you what it will be. And guys, once the download finish, just hit finish, and then it will take several minutes to just close the setup up. And then once it's closes, you're done. I know the setup spelling is wrong in the folder. That's because when I name it, I was in a hurry, that's why. And yes guys, once the setup finishes, it will close by itself. And then yes guys, that's it. That's how to create a installation media for Windows 10. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to clear something. You will see me that I'm talking like something that I don't know what I'm talking. That's because I make the video before I record my audio. So I was like, while I'm editing, I'm recording. That's why. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like and subscribe and comment, guys. And guys, see you in the next video.